Hello! Today I'm going to teach you how to make egg noodles from scratch. The recipe for egg noodles is very simple. For every cup of flour, you need 2 egg yolks, 1 whole egg, and 1 teaspoon of salt. There are 2 pieces of equipment that will make your job easier. One is a stand-up mixer, and another one is a pasta machine. We start by putting all the ingredients into the mixing bowl, and we mix all the ingredients together. This takes about 5 minutes with an electric mixer. The dough will be moist but crumbly. You have to knead the dough by hand so that it comes together. Once all the dough sticks together, we go to the next step. If you don't have a pasta machine, you can roll out the dough manually and then cut it with a knife. It is much easier if you have a pasta machine. Set the rollers wide apart and put the dough through the rollers. Fold the pasta sheet in half and roll it several times until the pasta sheet has a uniform consistency. At this point, you can put the rollers closer together to make a thinner sheet, and you are ready to start cutting the pasta. Make sure that the pasta sheets are well floured so that the noodles will not stick together. You are now ready to put the noodles into a pot of boiling water. Make sure that the water is boiling hard before you put in the noodles. The noodles can be ready after boiling for 5 to 9 minutes, depending on the thickness of your noodles. Thin noodles like the ones shown here can be ready after boiling for about 5 or 6 minutes. Test the pasta by taking one noodle and chewing it. It should be al dente and not gooey. Noodles are very versatile. You can top them with an Italian sauce, or you can use them in Oriental dishes. This is an example of a stir fry with beef, bok choy, and mushrooms with a little bit of oyster sauce. Enjoy!